My name is Davies and I'm an outdoor learning consultant at Pentagon Play. I'm based in Bristol, but I cover the South West and South Wales. An outdoor learning consultant is integral in creating new play spaces for places such as schools, nurseries and other kind of environments such as parks. We will be kind of the face of the project with Pentagon. We will go and meet with the school, initially sit down, have a chat about what their vision is for the space, what elements of learning they want to create and how they want to accommodate the children in the best way that was going to suit their needs. We will then go away, take all of the ideas that we discussed on site and create a drawing based on the space that we were shown. We will use all of our knowledge, all of our experience and bounce ideas around us as a sales team as a whole to create something that we then send to our 3D visualisers. They then create this amazing 3D visual that we will go back and present to a school and go through all of the different areas of learning and elements of fun really that they requested and present the package as a whole. The first thing that I tend to look for when I visit a school is how the children are currently playing. It's great to go and visit a school at playtime because you can see the areas of the playground that the children gravitate towards most. So we try and utilise those areas because the children are telling you what they want to do in those areas. If a child is using an area or using a disused piece of equipment as somewhere that they can hang, that shows us that there is a need for that in that school. So that is something that we will try and replicate in our equipment. I like to create different areas, so I like to have different areas for kind of climbing and rolling and messy play and just try and create different zones. So especially in early years where we can kind of bring that early years curriculum in there, it's always really nice for me personally to have those visual designated zones on a design.
And what's the best thing about being an outdoor learning consultant?
Going back to play on the equipment.